What's up, y'all? Yeah, so I got a few things to do today. I'm gonna bring y'all along. I gotta run out to my storage. I gotta start all the motorcycles, let them run for a minute. It's so nice outside. Oh my god, look how beautiful it is, man. I gotta start all the bikes, and I gotta get a cold start video of the YZ250 because I'm gonna probably sell that. So I gotta make sure to remember to do that. And I gotta find a stove today. I'm looking for a stove. I need to get a stove so I can cook while I'm out wherever I'm at. And yeah, so I'll take y'all along with me when I get all that done. And yeah, I'll get back with y'all when I get to the storage. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, all the keys is in the bags, in the bag, and in the cars, in that front pocket right there. I think it's open.
I thought he charges, bro.
Huh?
I thought he charges in here.
Nah, they're in there.
In this pocket.
Nah, the next one.
This one.
No, this one.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh, I gotta get all the way back. In that middle console, yeah?
Ready? It's for the blue gel. Oh, there's another bike back there? I don't even see it. I didn't even see it. This is 1,000 key right here.
That's just the battery dead on that.
Oh.
I gotta move all this stuff to get to that.
You got the Honda key?
Nah, it's in there.
In the console, right?
In that middle console, yeah.
Ready? It's for the blue gel.
That's right.
There's another bike back there?
The 1000.
I didn't even see it. It's 1,000 key right here.
That joint, the battery's dead on that.
Oh. Go ahead.
Cold. Alright guys, we here at my favorite spot. Y'all already know where that is. Back again. But the only thing is, this YouTube be trying to copyright you for the music in the background. So I might just like get like some B-roll with no sound when I find what I'm looking for, but yeah, they ain't gonna be like, I ain't gonna be able to talk to y'all, you know what I mean? Cause they be playing around with that copyright. So yeah, I'm gonna chat with y'all when I get back in the car. Woohoo! It is a cold one today. Look. Y'all see that? Yeah. Snowstorm. And the van is not insulated. There's no walls. I haven't put my walls up or nothing yet. So I think I'm just gonna hunker down at one of my buddies' place tonight. But before I head there, I need to get some dog food for Jet. I need to get another memory card for my other camera. And I need to go to the market and get something to cook tonight for dinner, or at least throw in on whatever they're cooking for dinner tonight over there. So yeah, that's the game plan, and I'll see y'all when we get to the first location. Stop one. Come on. Alright, got that out the way. Dog food. My buddy actually works at Petco. You know who you are. Shout out you. Put a good look out on the discount. Yes, sir. You know that every dollar counts. Need that. My GoPro over there going off. Get in. I forgot I was even. I don't think I was recording. I think I stopped recording, but I left it on. Come here, girl. But yeah. Got the dog food out the way. So now I gotta go to Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. I need to go to Walmart. Y'all know I love Walmart. They just always got everything. I ain't gonna lie. If you hate on Walmart, you just ain't got no sense. Cause Walmart be having everything. But that's neither here nor there. I will let you guys win. Oh, covering the camera up. I will holler at you guys when I get there. Stop numero 2. I gotta go in here and get memory card from my other camera, and I don't know, see if I can find something cool or something. Maybe I'll get like some canvases or something and paint while I'm at the house. I don't know, maybe I'll just use some pens. I kind of feel like I want to sketch a little bit, but I don't know. But yeah. Y'all know my favorite store. Yeah, I might have to do like a B-roll type of thing when I get inside, because you know they be playing music and YouTube do not be playing. So yeah, I'll holler at y'all when I get back to the car. Well, that was a dead mission because I forgot my wallet. Because everybody has Apple Pay in the world but Walmart. So now I gotta go back some other time. I'm not coming back. Once I get in the car, that's it. Even if I got the right amount of money, I'm not going back in there. I'm gonna run to Home Depot and see if I can find some ice. And Oh, I gotta go to the market too. So I'm gonna run to Home Depot. Jet can come inside at Home Depot though, so at least she don't gotta wait in the car. But yeah, so I'm gonna run there, see if they got some ice, and then I'll hit the market. Sounds like a plan. Wait. Okay. All right. Hopefully we can get what we need in here. I guess time will tell. This girl, you hype, look. Come on. I don't know, cause it was right there, so. Might not have none, might be too late. In a year, maybe. No, I don't wanna go out there.
And you're so soft. Oh yeah, go ahead.
She is so
Here,
soft.
you want Miss Gotcha for you? I got you. There you go. You can take over. Oh,
Did you know you guys would be celebrities when you left?
You are beautiful.
It kind of happens everywhere we go. I kind of like,
You got
but
used
it's
to it?
okay, you know. I've had it for 2 years, so it's kind of like
You're
a,
used to it.
yeah, it's like an everyday thing, kind of, sort of. Whenever we go out, somebody's never fails. Somebody's right here. Come here. Let me unhook you. Come here. Come here. Let me unhook you. Good girl. Ooh. Oi. All right, well, I know Jet had a good time in there. I swear, everywhere we go, sometimes I don't record it, but everywhere we go, we get stopped for a good 5-10 minutes. And people just gotta have their way with her, rubbing on her, loving on her. And Jet, you know, she absolutely loves people. She absolutely loves to get rubbed on and just cuddled. And so she be in seventh heaven, bro. She absolutely loves it. And who am I to deny one of their guilty pleasures, you know? So, oh, curb. That thing's still there for sure. But yeah, anyway, I'm on my way to the market, which is actually like in the very next parking lot. So I'm actually pulling up now. H Mart. Yes, sir. Okay, I'll get with you guys when we get inside. But it'll probably be B-roll because they play music too, and I ain't trying to get another copyright, man. YouTube do not be playing. What's this guy doing? Where you going, bub? Where you going? All right. I'm gonna park up right here. Just pull through spot. And all right, we're here. I'm gonna run inside. Oh, look at this. See that generator on the back of their van? I gotta get me one. I gotta kind of figure out how I'm gonna mount it though, because as soon as the springtime comes, I gotta mount my motorcycle on the back. I gotta have my bike with me. That's my baby. So I gotta figure out like how to mount the generator with the bike mount as well. See, that's like a whole big platform thing. I gotta look at that. That's cool how he's got that. I'm gonna walk up on here and see. It's just like a it's just like a rack kind of. I need that so I can run my thing. That'd be cool on the back of the van. That'd be really cool. But anyway, I'm headed in here now, and yeah, I'll get with y'all in a second. I've never seen that before. Have you guys ever ate roasted eel? Do you guys like sushi? If you're a sushi eater, drop a like and leave a comment. What's the best sushi? I'm not really a sushi guy, but I'm down to try anything once. I didn't end up finding anything to eat. I'm not really even hungry. I just was kind of getting something to eat for later, but oh well. If it ends up biting me in the butt, then I got some noodles. I can always eat noodles. Those are like the greatest creation ever to mankind, so that's never a bad meal. Also, while I'm sitting behind this generator thing on the back of the van, look at this van I seen the other night, yo. Look, I'm gonna throw it in right now. Now that's what I'm talking about right there. He got that shit figured out. Yeah, I got one of them on the way. Don't even worry about it. Summertime special coming soon. I know, right? John was gnarly, which in all reality though, it would be very, very, very beneficial for me to have. And I got 2 back windows. So I could just take out one window and put the AC, and then I could leave jet in the van when I go to work during the summertime because I have a seasonal job. So I think that might be a real option. Like, I might really think about doing that. I might really consider that. But anyway, I'm going to get out of this weather. I'm seeing ambulance after ambulance. The roads are soaking wet. Snow everywhere. People act like they can't drive when it gets to snowing and raining and whatnot. So I'm going to just go to my buddy's house. And yeah, if I do something cool or, bring you guys along for dinner or whatever. But anyway, I'll see y'all later. Go pee. Come on, go pee.
Wellness shot.
I don't know why he bought this shit. I'm gonna probably spit it out. I hope there's nothing in the sink.
It's a wellness shot, bro.
It's probably disgusting. It doesn't smell too bad.
You ready? Ready? It's not bad.
It's kind of spicy a little
Yeah,
bit.
you got that ginger spice.
Holy fuck. It's actually like really spicy. Alright guys, that's it for another one. Before you get out of here though, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on.